There's been so much debate about African black soap, Nigerian black soap to be precise. A lot of people think it's bad for the skin. However, I'm here to tell you today that it is good for the skin. People just don't know how to make it the right way. So today, we're learning how to make moisturizing. My raw black soap, Nigerian black soap. This already has about 410 grams, so I'm just gonna pour all of this in here. Now, I really like this because of the texture. It's easy to work with compared to the really thick ones where you have to struggle and then you have to pound. I don't know why people pound soap. Turmeric, I usually don't measure because the measure you use is totally down to you. Like I said, don't put too much, except you really don't mind. My brother loves turmeric, so he likes too much of it. So I have turmeric and black soap in there. I'm gonna give it a bit of a stir with this because I don't want to ruin that. And I have that mix going on there with my raw black soap. Now this is good to go. All I pour in are these things, the extra goodies. All in there. I'm gonna turn around for you to see what it looks like, and you just stir. Now, sometimes it's better to use a wooden spoon for this. Oops. It's better to use a wooden spoon because it does get quite thick, and you just stir. Now, you stir this until it gets to a comfortable point, and you really just leave it. Just get everything wet, and you leave it like this. Cover it up and keep it in a storage for a couple of days. Trust me, it starts like this and literally 2 days later you end up with this and your black soap is ready. Now if you check the texture, this is quite hard. Now some people don't like this because they feel, you know, it's a bit too hard. You can add more honey, you can add more glycerin, anything you want to put in there is fine. Also for the powders, just like the face mask we did the other time, you can use any powder. You can use sandalwood, charcoal, whatever floats your boat is fine. But the point is, make sure that the oils you use, make sure they're enough to keep your skin moisturized. Otherwise, your products will end up being too harsh. And that is your moisturizing black soap done. It is really that simple. Just make sure you get everything right. And of course, if you want any of these amazing ingredients, we have them at great prices at Diesel Organics on Instagram and on Facebook. For a lot more exciting tutorials, stay tuned to our page.